Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, and hey you guys, happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. And welcome back to my channel. Today's look is going to be a little Halloween look. If you wanted to, you see my little witch hat I'm gonna put on. I mean, nothing much. I don't have nothing much, but hey, we're just gonna do a little quick now we're gonna do a little quick cute but festive makeup tutorial, I guess. Yes, cute but festive for the festivities, you know what I mean? No, but yes, and stay tuned for my next video because I will be telling you or giving you an update about my Arizona trip, or our Arizona I cannot talk today. Like, I don't know what it is. I cannot talk today. Probably because it's raining outside and I just came from beautiful sunny weather and now it's raining and chilly, you know what I mean? But as you can see, but yeah, next video I will be doing an update about Arizona and me and my fiance's trip and what happened and the applications we put in and stuff and etc. But let's just get into this video. If you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment down below. So yeah, let's just jump right in and get started.
Perfect.
Hey you guys, and this is the finished look. Yes, happy Halloween. No, but happy Halloween. Ta-da! This is the finished look. My lip is really cute. I don't know, like on here it's kind of looking like a wow, but it's like really, really cute. Like ombre black, and then I added some glitter. But look at this makeup look. Check out this look though. Check out this eyeshadow. Banging. You heard? Banging. Banging. No, I'm just playing. But yes. Happy Halloween. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And until next time, like I said, you know, I will be doing, this look like Black Widow. I'm gonna find you. I'm singing. I forgot the words. But yeah. But anywho, until next time, my loves, with peace and love and happiness. Like I said, I'll be doing, my next video will be a video of me, of me talking. I'll just do this. Of me talking about, look at this look though. Like, get into this shit right here. Okay? But anywho, I will be doing a video next week of me talking about me and my fiance's trip to Arizona. I have a few, I guess, surprises to come with that. We had a wonderful time. Arizona was very good to us. The weather was so wonderful. And I will be doing an update next week on that. Just keep y'all tuned in about that. And yes, that is it, you guys. Until next time, with love, peace, and happiness from your lady, Mizz E. Happy Halloween. Bye.